Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. To make sausage and peppers, we need to slice one red bell pepper, one green bell pepper, and two medium-sized onions or one large one. Then, in a skillet over medium-high heat, add in a couple of tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We are using Italian hot sausage. You may use sweet sausage or any other kind of sausages that you prefer. Place the sausages in the skillet. We're going to saute for a few minutes. We want them to get nice and crispy. And after a couple of minutes, once they have developed some color, go ahead and flip them. These guys are looking beautiful. Now set them aside. Now add the vegetables into the skillet. Season with a pinch of kosher salt and black pepper to taste. Add in 1 tablespoon of oregano. Give it a toss and we're sauteing for a couple of minutes. And after about 5 minutes, add in 4 cloves of garlic minced. Toss the garlic in and continue sauteing for another couple of minutes, another 2 to 3 minutes. Now bring the sausages back into the pan so they can finish cooking off with the vegetables. Reduce the heat to medium and continue cooking for another 15 to 20 minutes until the sausages cook all the way through. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, sausage and peppers. Enjoy. Buen provecho. Thanks for watching.